gotta love this place, baby. My cow, baby. Check out this space, maybe. My Macau, oh, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, oh, baby. Whoa, maybe. Checking it out, baby. Gotta get out and go, baby. Whoa, baby. My Minda, maybe. My Macau, oh, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, oh, baby. Whoa, maybe.
Okay, this is called Travessa de Cais. So we're going to be walking down this alley just to give you a little context of where we are. We are on Sergio El Maranch, Rua de Sergio El Maranch. The waterfront is right over there on the other side. The sun is kind of bright on this street, but when we start going down our side street, it'll have a completely different feel. So yeah, we're going to be walking down Travessa de Cais right here, a little slice of Macau. We'll talk all about it, and we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Travessa de Cais. These cars have to get onto this busy street, which is a little bit of a challenge for them. So we're gonna walk down our alley. And we also got some kind of cool artwork as well right here. I don't know what that says. So we're going to be saying goodbye to that main road right in there, and then we're going to follow this little Cais lane, and we'll see wherever it goes. Just in case you don't know, I'm kind of documenting Macau, exactly what it looks like in different time periods. So I've been filming now for, I don't know, maybe 5 years, 2019, 6 years. So I've filmed a lot of these streets a few times. There's a barbershop right there. And what I'll be doing, it's another barbershop on the other side. So what I'll be doing is at the end of the video, you can see the last time I was at Travessa de Cais, the last 2 times. And they're always at the end of my video, so you can follow them and see how the streets change over time within the last 6 years, because I was filming during COVID as well. So things did change quite a bit. There's our street right there. I want to walk over and just kind of capture that real quick. Travessa de Cais. And we have a hill that goes, I think that's going to turn into something different, that little hill right there. But I also have this other thing that I just want to briefly look into. It says, oh, there's a big thing right there with me. This little patio. I just want to walk into this patio real quick. Lorenzo Marques. We'll just see what this... Oh, wow. Look at that. I wasn't planning to go into this one, but it has this really beautiful building right there. Let me just get a little closer to that. Sometimes I do get a little bit sidetracked, because sometimes you can see the really interesting stuff. And there's a couple cats right there. There's also an incense thing here too for this shrine. So there's actually a coffee shop right here. Let me just see. This is an art exhibition. Yeah, it's this nice, beautiful balcony up there too. Yeah, sometimes these side streets are some of the most interesting things. I kind of want to follow this alley. It looks even more interesting than... But I have to stay loyal to our street, because there'll be stuff on Cais that I cat's right there. But sometimes it's nice just to get a little bit sidetracked. Yeah, a lot of times when I'm in these kind of areas, I'll put my camera on another lens and it'll have this really fisheye kind of look, but not everybody likes that. And I was kind of playing around with it, and it's actually the fisheye, I don't know if I like it as much as I used to. I think let me know. I was playing around with it, but then I kind of created stuff that I wasn't so sure about. Maybe we'll just try that fisheye real quick. So here's that fisheye lens. So when I use this fisheye lens, it kind of gives me a bigger view of everything. And then I don't have to turn the camera so much. So yeah, you can actually see how it can actually view more with a lens on this setting. This has like a big, looks like a durian there, durian ice cream. Then this Big Mama's, that's been there for a while. That's traditional Portuguese cuisine. Pork minchi, stuff like that. Big Mama's. Okay. Here's a marketplace. Right now they're also it's like Hungry Ghost. So they're burning incense and burning gifts and things to the spirit world. So that's happening right now. So when you see a lot of those people, it's kind of what they're doing. Let me just kind of take a look here. This actually has pizza and a chicken wrap and pizza. Smoked salmon. Okay, so this is basically what our street looks like. Of the kind of fisheye lens, and I believe that this street will end. Then that's it right there, Travessa de Cais. And then this will turn into something different. So I believe the street turns into Casada, so it has a different name. But we're just gonna go up to the top, take a look, and then we're gonna flip the camera around because it has a nice view from here to behind us. So I'm just gonna go up a little bit further. Then you have some little alleys that go down like that. Porta. So that's where we're coming up from, Travessa de Cais. Okay, so I still kind of have that fisheye lens on this one. And then we're gonna, in the video right there, the fisheye lens does, it kind of does give you a bigger perspective of stuff. Anyways, that's Cais.
Baby, gotta love this place, baby.